something which is very cool. So for that you need to be in level 10. So to be in level 10 you can do a lot of fishing and you can go to level 10. So I go to this person Popperson and I go to a new island called the Eruption Island. So over here I want to show you something. This is important that you are in level 10. So you can see this cave over there. So we are going to go inside this cave. Now we are in this cave. So you can see lava is over there. Now you must be thinking that can we do fishing in this lava? Then the answer is yes, we can do fishing in this lava. So for that we need a special kind of a fishing rod which is called the lava rod. To get the lava rod we have to do all some of these jumps, some parkour and etc. We can't do it with the normal fishing rod. So we are going to jump and do this parkour. It is a little bit tough, but you have to do it properly, then only you can do it. You can see I'm doing it. So there's this rope over here, you just need to keep on going forward and you'll automatically climb the rope. So according to me this is my toughest part. I always can't do this part, so let me try this. Oh yes, oh yes, I did it in the first try. Okay, so now this is the second checkpoint. So if you die you'll land up to this area. We climb the stairs and we jump. You can see these arrows. The arrows will guide you, and also these torches. So now you must be thinking where to go after this part. So we'll fall down. You can see this cannon in front of me. You have to activate it. So when we activate it, it brings it brings many stones in front of us so that we can do the parkour. Now we are going to jump on these stones, and there's a moving rock here. So we need to jump on the moving rock and then we can go to the next part. So I jumped on the moving rock. Now you can see that I moved to the next part. So this is the next checkpoint. Now in this part, if you see, if you look at me, I'm going straight. So you can see these arrow boards. It's written third, first and second. So we'll go to the first arrow board. The arrow is pointing towards the first side, so we have to go to the first area first. Then we jump on these, and you can see there's another moving rock over here. So we jump on this moving rock. It takes us to the it takes us up, and on our left side there are these stairs. Oops. So on our left side you can see those stairs. So we need to climb those stairs to activate the next rock. So we again come there, we jump on the rock. Now you can see on the left side we jump on this. Oh no, I'm falling down. Okay, let me try it again. So I go there. Now I have to jump on the rock. Now on the left side, now I have to jump on these rocks and go to this activate. So we can activate this. So it activates one more moving rock over there. Now you can just jump in the lava. Now we again go to the second point. You can see the second board, so we need to go to the second point. Now we need to climb this. These rocks are type of a staircase. So there is another moving rock over here. We jump on it, and you can see that when the rock comes up, it tries to pull you down, but you need to keep on jumping on the rock so that you don't fall down and you don't lose your balance. So there's one more moving rock over here. We jump on this moving rock. and when it goes up we can keep on jumping so that we do not be unstable. So now here's one more cannon, we activate it, so it activates one more rock over here where my mouse pointer is. So now we again jump in the lava. Now we'll go to the third part, the third arrow board. We jump. So this is the last parkouring to get to the lava rod. Now we jump on the right side. We again jump and go straight. Now we are almost there. So there's one more moving rock over here. We jump on the moving rock and then we jump to the land. So over here you have to jump on these, and now you can see this big rock. You can see this wait here sign. So from up there's that big rock, that big moving rock. It's going to come down and it's going to take us up there. So when we go up we can see the lava rod. So now we are going to jump on this big rock. Now we are going up to the lava rod. So on our right side we can see that chest. Let's go there. So we open the chest and we get our lava rod. So you can see this rare lava rod. Now it will allow us to do fishing. So we'll just go back, we'll jump into the lava and we can keep on going back. See, I'm jumping in the lava, and now I'm going to show you how to catch a fish with this. See, I jumped here. Oops, I fell down. So okay, so now let me show you how to catch a fish. So first I have to take it from my backpack, the lava skin. So I took it. Now I'm going to use it. So you can see the bubbles are there and I can catch. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel for more videos on Roblox and Krunker. Thank you.